Welcome guys, today I am with Cubot Max 3 and I'm going to show you how camera promote works in this phone. Okay, so to open the promote you have to go for more modes and select this option. Right now we can find parameters that we can adjust right here. So the first one is exposure compensation. As you can see, when we move this parameter we can increase or decrease the brightness level. So we can get it between -3 and +3, and we have to wait for a few seconds until this option will be set up. And by the way, that's the only parameter that we can only set up manually. That's no automatic adjustment. Right now we can move for the ISO. So ISO we can set up between 100 and 1600. And that's the manually adjustment, and that's the automatic. Right here. The last option is the white balance right here. Okay, never mind. So as you can see right here, we got the presets. That's the 4 different presets, and also another automatic adjustment at the first place. When you tap on the right upper corner, as I'm in the left upper corner, we can enable camera flashlight. And yeah, that's all for this video. That's how promote looks, and again, Cubot Max 3. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.